Hi everyone, this is Fanny from MeritSun Power. Guess what we're gonna do today, guys? We wanted to open our MeritSun new design low temperature heating batteries and show you what's inside looks like. I think most of you were wondering about this. So let's open and check out our MeritSun batteries quality inside screen.
A few moments later.
Well, we already read this battery out, so before we open the batteries, for the safety, please remember to wear the goggles, also the anti-static gloves. Wow, you can see it is very sophisticated, and the whole lithium battery pack looks really nice. And all the wirings is tidy and with the fixes and brackets. And on the top of the batteries is the BMS, the batteries management systems. And this is a smart BMS. It's research and development and by our MeritSun's technical engineering teams. The importance and purpose of the BMS is to prevent the batteries overcharge, over-discharge, over-currents, and over-temperatures. Also, the intelligence balance ensure the batteries with the good consistency and the excellent performance in the charge and discharge, etc. And look at this. This is our special golden BMS. That's super cool, which you can have a sophisticated systems compared with the most batteries on the market. It's really nice. And this batteries is building the Bluetooth tips, so you can easy to check the battery's real status, such like the SOC, capacity, the voltage, working currents, also the cycle life on your mobile phone. That's very convenient. And here you can see all the signal windings is bundles, and all the signal windings is connect with each cells and collect the cells informations such like the SOC and working currents and the voltage, etc. And then transfer and programs to the BMS so that you can easy to check the batteries on your mobile phones or the smart LCDs. And we also use the ABS fix holders to fix each cells. It is not only to prevent the insulations, but also to prevent internal barriers and the connection wirings from moving during the transportations and installs. Okay, and look how we're constructed all these combination screws. And compare with the traditional wirings, we use the automotive grade 2.0 and 2.5 and 304 stainless steel combination screws to locate the cells, which can providing the best protections of the batteries. And another good point is we use these many lasers power levels connection bus. Compared with the most batteries use very thin and ordinary connectors, we designed these many lasers power levels connection bus, which can providing the strong shock through and flexible, also not easy to break. Okay, and this is the temperature sensors. The temperature sensors is connected with the cells directly and then transfer the temperatures to the BMS. And how could these batteries heating up even at the low temperatures environments? The secret is we added the low temperatures heating foams to the bottoms of the batteries. And the temperatures adaptabilities of these silica gels low temperature heating foams is under 50 degrees and up to 250 degrees. It's waterproof and soft, also reliable insulations. And when the temperatures is under 0 degrees, the power charge will heating the batteries up to 10 degrees, so the battery can work normal as well. And these batteries could heating itself to make it work at the low temperature environments. That is amazing. We also can adjust the temperatures according to the customer requirements, such like you require the temperatures on the 5 degrees, that's also no problems. When the temperatures rise to 5 degrees, the heating foam stopped, and our MeritSun's batteries automatically turn into the normal charge mode. When the batteries and the temperatures are cooled down to under 5 degrees, and then the heating functions kick off. That is amazing. Okay, and here you can see we used the special soft silicone cables, 6 AWGs, to make our output powers, which these cables can with the high temperature resistance up to 200 degrees and the high voltage resistant up to 600 voltage. Also with the high large resistance up to 100 amperes. And here we use the copper connectors, which can providing the best conductivities. And since this battery is 12 volts and 100 amperes, so we use the 4 pieces and 3.2 voltage and prismatic cells to assemble these lithium battery packs. And all of our batteries are used grade 8, high energy densities, and the longer safety life cells to make all our batteries to ensure we're providing you the best qualities batteries. Besides that, all of our batteries cases use the ABS fireproof materials to keep the batteries more safety for use. Okay, so this is all the information for today. So I think through my introductions, now you will better understand our MeritSun's batteries. What I'm trying to say is, if you are a new user of the lithium batteries, or if you want to replacement your old lithium batteries, our MeritSun's batteries is actually the best choice for you. As you know, our MeritSun is care about the qualities very much. All of our batteries will go through the 100% strict testings before they delivery and from our factories to ensure every battery is perfect. Okay, so please follow us, and any questions, just leave your comments below our videos. And next time I will show you these batteries and temperature testings. So see you next time.